welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing another Halloween look. So I'm starting off here by applying some base coat on to all of the nails. I didn't want to use my practice hand today, so I just figured I'd use these. So after we put the base coat on, we're curing for 60 seconds, and then we're going to get started on the nail. So the first nail, I'm doing a marble effect. I wanted that to be kind of like the base of the nail. So what I'm doing here is I'm just applying some black gel liner and then dipping a brush into some alcohol or acetone and just lightly, I guess, buffing out the lines because I don't want them to be so dominant, I guess. And then I'm just repeating that here. You can just repeat it depending on the desired effect that you want. So with this, it just kind of has that smoky look. Once you're satisfied with that, you can go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to add some red to it. This will just give it, since it's a Halloween theme, it will give it that Halloween effect, kind of like blood in the background, I guess. So again, you just add this color according to how vibrant you want it. Now while that's curing, we just want to get started on the next nail. So for this one, I am going to be doing a red French tip. There's more that's going to be happening with this nail, but this is just kind of the beginning. So cure that, and then we go back to the first nail. So I just wanted to add some more red, just because I felt like it wasn't enough. So I did that. Now we're going to go, once that's cured, we're going to go ahead and add this glitter. I wanted this to kind of be, part of the nail set because you don't want it to be too spooky, right? Now we're just going to add some, I guess, some stitching to the nail. So I'm just going ahead and drawing in those lines. It's okay if you make a mistake. Just make sure you always have a brush handy to wipe off any mistakes. Now for the next nail, I'm actually going to be just painting it all red. I just wanted to have that contrast. So now going back to the first nail, just going back and retouching up those lines again. Sometimes with gel polish, I like to just do the light lines first and then kind of go back. Now for this nail is the one that we are going to be drawing the spider on. So what I'm starting off doing is I'm just taking my red Beetles liner again, and I'm just, creating a little tip on there, and I will be outlining the edges as well. What I hope to do with this one is be able to create a like sort of a frame, a picture frame, and then have the spider in between. Well, that's the look I'm going for, but let's see how it turns out. Gonna go in and draw in the eyes for the spider, and once we're done that and that's cured, we're gonna go ahead and start drawing the picture frame. I did have to go in a couple times with this liner. It was a little bit runny and also a lighter consistency, so I had to go in a couple times. Then once I'm done that and that's cured, I'm gonna go ahead and outline the outside of the frame just to give it a more defined look, and makes it kind of pop a little bit more as well. So for this nail, I actually decided that I was gonna make it a pumpkin, but it didn't turn out the way I wanted. So what ended up happening after is I just added all these colors on it and kind of like blended them together to give it like a marble background. So you're gonna see that this nail is not gonna be what it was supposed to be, but it still came out fine, so. So here's the final look. Let me know how you think I did in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. And let me also know what you would like to see next. I will be posting 3 times a week. And thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.